Having left Hamlin Pool and the Shark Bay region, we fueled up at the iconic Billabong Roadhouse. We then drove an hour and a half south to Galena Bridge River Camp, where we spent one night free camping before heading into Kalbarri the following morning. At Galena Bridge you can camp on both the north or south side of the river for 24 hours, and most of the sites have river views. We got in early afternoon, and while the place had already started to fill up, we managed to snag one of the best spots on the south side, away from others and with our own picnic table and fire pit. Unlike some other free camps, Galena Bridge has long drop toilets which were clean, a dump point and bins. We saw this as we were doing the lap before. This is so cool. Look at this. Oh, the little dog shower. So this is hand painted by this person here, or this company here. And I presume it might be the guy that is driving it. But this looks awesome. Looks better in the flesh than what my camera's picking up. But I've just noticed the kangaroo up here as well, on the front.
Look at this.
It's cool. Nothing to notice here, just some Canadian guy walking along with some dead wood to make a fire with.
See, little one. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Sure. That's Haven's contribution. She's not overly enthusiastic, but she's doing it. And she's not doing it.
The W X.
Oh, and that's it.
Can we just do
No, leave it.
Z?
No, just leave it. You say it out loud. Out loud. What comes next? WX.
Y Z.
Yeah. Alright, so the heaviest colour, so just circle the heaviest object. Is a bike heavier, or is a whatever that is, police car, is a car heavier?
Can I colour it in too?
We'll do it after.
Okay.
Which one's heavier, elephant or fox, or whatever that is? Whale. Oh yes, we've seen some whales. Okay.
We go da 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 da.
Alright, number maze. You're doing these really quickly. Number maze. Draw a path from the dog to the bone by counting from 1 to 5.
That's easy. This is
go.
From
So
1 to 5.
Yeah, so it starts with 1. So you're going to go 1. Just draw a line through it. Where's the 2? And what's next?
3, 4, 5.
To the bone. That's it. You made it. That's it.
So can I do that again? Because I liked it.
Okay.
Can I go from circle, 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 circle?
Nom 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 nom. We keep going?
Yeah.
Addition. Okay. Add the objects and write the correct number.
I think this is science.
This is maths. So how many are there? Count the socks and then put their number under here. So how many socks are there?
Easy. 4, 4.
4 plus 4 equals what? And you can count them or you can...
6.
Does it?
I mean 8.
Okay, so write that. 4 plus 4 equals 8.
I'll do 8 first.
Yep. She's gone very well with her schoolwork here.
0 line, 0 line, 0 line, 0.
I think she's going a bit crazy from her schoolwork.
9, 0 line, 0 line, 0 line.
After Haven finished off her schoolwork, we set off for Kalbarri, which was just under an hour away. We stayed at a place called Wago Shallows and Camping Area, just 20 kilometres out of Kalbarri. We really enjoyed our stay, with its gorgeous views and the fact that we had the place to ourselves. The facilities were old, but they were very clean, and they also run quad bike tours from the place, although we didn't have time to try that. We headed back into town to top up our supplies, have an ice cream, and let Haven play in the park for a while. You walk it up. Did you hurt yourself?
I wasn't ready.
Did you hurt yourself?
I wasn't ready and I went up on itself.
I can help you get it back. Did you hurt yourself? Are you okay?
I hurt myself.
Kalbarri is beautiful during the day, but at night the sunsets are magical. We set off for Kalbarri National Park the next morning, which is divided into two sections. The first is the inland part, which is probably the most famous, comprising areas like the Z Bend, Nature's Window and the Skywalk. So it's been fairly easy up to here. I'm just saying to get to a little bit, a few rocks to climb through here, and then
I just want to pick you up.
steeper, but not too bad. Some people get assistance. Others just have to keep walking.
Look, tadpoles.
Good thing I've got my Archies.
You know,
Alright, so it's getting a little bit more gnarly now.
Oh my gosh,
you videoing this whole thing?
Not the whole thing.
I'm doing the whole thing.
I'm gonna go take another line.
You wouldn't want to be old or, you know, too incapacitated to be able to get down here. Can you grab Haven down here, Elliot?
Oh, Haven's got it.
Good job, Bubs.
Careful, Haven.
So getting towards the bottom now.
Those are rounded a little bit.
I'm just going down.
Alright. Now we're at a ladder.
It's time to go this way.
Just stopping around the corner here. Can't really see. We've come down a really long way so far though. But it's lovely and shaded in here, so it's not too bad with the heat. Alright, so we've almost got to the bottom. There's a little bit more to go, but this rock here is much too dangerous.
A bit treacherous.
Even Elliot was struggling with that, so we don't want to take a chance of Haven, because we'd have to try and hop across this very quite steep, slippery rock to get to the ladder over there. So,
Well, I can get there. Nice.
there's always one hero. We're back from the river trail, sorry. The Z Bend lookout there's a few rocks to get over, but it's pretty easy to get to. I don't think I even got increased my breathing at all. The river trail, it's not too bad going down. There's a lot of rocks that you would have seen that you've got to get over. Coming back up, you do lose your breath. But I'm very unfit at the moment, and I still managed it, so totally doable. I've been deserted by Elliot and Haven. They've run off now. They're all bonding because they're way ahead of me. But I'm satisfied because I actually made it. It's absolutely peaceful out here.
Hello.
We're just at Nature's Window. It's pretty cool from up here. On the way home, we explored some of the coastal parts of Kalbarri National Park, including Red Bluff, and then the next morning we visited Island Rock and Natural Bridge. So this is the little place we've been staying at. There's some toilets and shower and there's laundry over there, that kind of thing. So it's cute. It's not super modern or anything, but it has a spectacular view in the background here. And we were literally here on our own last night. And there's a little bit of wind this morning, but it's just starting to die off again. We had zero wind yesterday. It was just perfect here. We thoroughly enjoyed our brief but wondrous stay in Kalbarri and will definitely return soon, as there's plenty to do there. We only had a few days left of our trip, but we had lots of plans to fill our time right until the end.